Welcome back. So in the previous lecture we have learned how to attach a smart form as a PDF attachment. Now in this lecture we are going to learn how to upload the PDF file from our local machine. So for this, on the selection screen we'll give here one file upload functionality through parameter, and then user will upload the file from the local machine and the same file will go as attachment to the email. So for that, here we'll write selection screen skip at the parameter p underscore file of type rl file name. Okay. 7. Activate. Go to text element and selection text here like PDF upload. So now we can see on the screen one parameter, but here we have to give the F4 option so that user can select the file. So for this, here what we'll do before the start of selection, we'll write at selection screen on value request for p underscore file, and you have to call one function module here f4 underscore file name. Okay, and here in the importing we have to pass that parameter name p underscore file. Fine. So this is here we done with the select options. Okay, here we done with the select options only. Now what we'll do, we'll using the GUI upload function module, we'll upload this file. Okay, so for that, let me first comment this SF to PDF. Okay, I will add here one new perform. I will write like, let's say PDF upload. Okay, I will double click here and this will create a new perform routine here. So now for the GUI upload function model, we need a string actually. So first let me declare a local variable lv underscore file type is string. Okay, and now suppose if p underscore file, which is the parameter for selection screen, is not initial, then first what we'll do, we'll assign this local file of type string with the selection screen file name. Again go to pattern and type GUI underscore upload. Very first point which I follow is I open all the exceptions here. Okay, and here in the file name we pass lv underscore file, and in the file type here we have to pass bin binary file, and for the output I will use the same table it underscore li underscore content underscore hex. Okay, which we used earlier. Fine. So here we'll upload this file. Okay, so let me go back to our email program, and there we have the code for the attachment. Yeah, the same we use, right? So this time I will replace this demo of demo local upload, local PDF upload. What is the local PDF upload? From our machine only. Okay, now let's execute the program and select our variant as it is, which we used earlier, test attachment. But this time, okay, here I'm selecting the file local file from a desktop. Let's say binary to PDF. Okay, I will type here local PDF upload and I will just execute this. Okay, let me show you same in the debugging mode. So email sent successfully. Just go back to SOST and refresh. So here we can see the email body local file upload and see the PDF demo local PDF upload. Okay, text file for the binary. So in this way we will learn like how we can upload this. Now let me show you in debugging mode first the same upload program. If I execute this, First, this will go the send email. I just want to show that part, like GUI upload part. Okay, so I will set a breakpoint here, file upload. Remaining everything is same. Okay, see from here, first you're checking whether the file is uploaded or not. Then it is assigned to the local file, and this GUI upload will return all the content of the particular file in this. Okay, so as of now, in our case, what we have done, I have here pass the hard coded file name. If you want, you can pass this as a dynamic. Okay, so in this way we have done with session. So three type of attachment we have seen. The very first was like internal table as an Excel attachment. Second one was a smart form as a PDF attachment, and third one is a PDF attachment from the local file. If your requirement is you want to upload any file type from your local machine, so instead of this hard coding, what you can do, whenever you upload the file, first based on the file name, first identify the file extension, whether it is PDF, JPG, XLS, etc. Okay, once you know the file extension, use the same GUI function module. Okay, but here pass this dynamic instead of hard code PDF in this attachment. Pass the dynamic based on your file type. Okay, whatever I shown is a static. Upload only PDF file. But in case if you want to upload any type of file, first identify the extension of the file. There are many functional modules available. You can just pass the file name, it will return the file extension. Okay, so in this way we done with this session. Thank you.